Hello guys, this is Every Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 27th of June. Okay, yeah, alright. So now right here, I'm back with all of you. Alright, thank you so much for coming back here. Yeah, once again, let me check. Alright, so I hope all of you can hear me loud and clear. Yep, thank you so much for coming in. Alright, okay, so yep, I hope everything is good. Alright, and same thing. Okay, and today's 27, right? Okay, 27, yeah. Hi Hubert, nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Hi Dari, thank you so much for coming in. Right, so yeah, we are now. Yeah, there's so many, huh? Right. So let's see. Okay. Let's see what do we have here today. Okay. All right. So first of all, I'm going to go into analysis. Okay. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much for coming in, guys. Okay. Still hoping for the lessons, huh? Right. Okay. Along the way, yeah. If you can ask some questions. Okay. So we well, guys, I also have the Discord channel, right? Okay. So probably you guys can join in the Discord. At the same time, currently at the moment, the Discord is actually more for communication. Okay. So some updates. Right, then after that I will also be coming in more activity in the Discord as well. Alright, yeah, okay, so once again, yeah, okay, once again, and let's see what do we have here. Okay, hi Trinity, nice to see you here. Hi Bradley, Trinity, it's been a long time. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, so right now, okay, I hope everybody is good, and well, people are out there. Maybe you are really very busy, like a Trinity, busy in US. Okay, hi Alexander, nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Welcome back. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. Yes. I'm back. Okay, well, first of all, let's say hi to everybody. Okay, hi everybody. All right, so well, nice to see all of you here again, and well, thank you so much. Yeah, Sabrina, thank you so much. Well, guys, do remember to smash the like button for me. Alright, thank you so much. And really good, really great to see all of you here once again. Okay, and well, once again, okay, there are many actions coming along. Today we have CPI for the Canadian dollar. So do remember to be careful with that. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so first of all, let me take a look at this Aussie cat over here. I'll be looking into selling the Aussie cat today. Alright, I think there are some reasons for that. Okay, although although there are something like let me see something when. Okay, guys, do let me know if my sound is breaking out. Okay, yeah, okay, let me do some adjustment here. Okay, right, okay, let me do this. All right, Euro Aussie. Okay, and Aussie cat. Let's take a look at Aussie cat first. First of all, let's take a look at Aussie cat. Today Aussie cat looks like it hits on the support, tested on the support over here. And we are heading towards the resistance to create a selling opportunity. But however, tentatively we are now involving with a lot of buying. So all this buying over here I will suggest that probably we may want to stay away for a little while more, okay, before we actually should continue or not. Okay, let's see, because to what I see over here today, the Aussies are really pretty strong. Okay, so probably it may comes in the second half of the day, but for now I will want to wait for the resistance to be tested. Okay, so I will come back tomorrow, Aussie. Okay, for Aussie, I will come back tomorrow. All right, dobra jutro, Carol. Nice to see you here. Yeah. Good morning, gang. Gang. All right. So Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Since the cross pair, Aussie is doing quite well, going quite strong, and as we can see, for this Euro Aussie tentatively hitting onto the resistance, and it has started to turn down for selling. Okay, go TP 8 pips. Wow, that's fast. Congratulations. Well done, well done. All right. So yep, and of course with this, all right, with this tentatively currently, okay, I'll be looking out for Euro Aussie more on the selling side. Okay, more on the selling side. So we still have quite a good space down here to sell. All right, I think tentatively, I think that will be good if we are going for the selling. All right, if we are still going on for the selling. Okay, so right now, okay, at the moment, okay, as of now, let's see over at this point. Okay, yeah, let's see Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Okay, looks like it's quite still good, doing good right now. We have no support at the moment unless it's set up one. Okay, so Euro Aussie still have a good space to go, so I'm going to take the Euro Aussie into my consideration. Okay, so yeah, and let's see. Okay, Fibo, it hits on the Fibo. Okay, 61.8 of the Fibo and reverse a bit. Okay, good, at least you know what are you expecting. Am I right? Okay, so yep, EuroCAD over here, EuroCAD, and EuroCAD, let's take a look. EuroCAD, we are also now running on the bear. Okay, so in the bear, we are looking for resistance, which has been tested once last week, and now flowing down to look out for support. Okay, looks like now we are having some area of support over into this area here. So after it breaks this area of support, we still have around 30 pips to go. So EuroCAD, I will be putting into my watch list as well. So for Euro Yen, well, for Euro Yen over here, Euro Yen, we are actually into bull. Okay, we are actually moving towards the bull. But Euro Yen over here, we are testing into the resistance right now. Okay, let's see if this Euro Yen able to be resisted downwards to look out for the support. Okay, I have a support over here, right here. Okay, right here. So at this moment, okay, with this support here, okay, so I think it will still be quite good at this area here at the moment. Okay, hi MK, nice to see you here. So at this area, we still have about 70 over pips, but provided the resistance able to hold. Okay, right now we are still on the resistance. Okay, so let's see if there's a good chance that we are able to be resisted down to look out for some support before we actually take action on the selling part. All right, so let me move this up. Okay, let me move this up. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Over here. All right. Okay, so tentatively, let's see if this is going to look out for the support over into this area here. We should still have a 42 pips to go. All right, so for Euro Yen is a pullback. Okay guys, Euro Yen is a pullback, so just pay attention to them. Okay, all right, yeah, and let's take a look at the Euro Kiwi. All right, so Euro Kiwi over here. Euro Kiwi, by looking into Euro Kiwi, we are tested into the resistance and already started to turn down, and we are going into the profitable area. Okay, so my profitable area over here, I still have about 19 to 20 pips. Okay, 19 to 20 pips around there. Okay, around around 20 pips. Okay, so I think a Euro Kiwi, there's still quite a good one. Okay, all right. Okay, so for Euro dollar, yep, Euro dollar over here. Euro dollar, let's take a look. Are we going to focus on the Euro dollar today? Okay, so let's take a look for Euro dollar. For first of all, Euro dollar, we are looking in the trend of a buying the bull. Okay, after it hits on this area, it started forming up a support, continue to go for a higher price to go to test on the higher resistance, and started to swing a little bit, but this seems like a pullback. Well, let's see. Okay, we are still in the bull. Okay, but looking at this area here, looks like they are going to clear this area for the buyers. Okay, we still have about 28 pips. After clearing this, if there's the resistance able to hold it down, then we will be able to continue the selling. So for now, I'm going to skip the Euro dollar. Okay. Right, let's go with the Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie is very obvious. We also hit on the resistance, and now in the bull, we are coming back for a selling. So, is there any break of structure over at this point here? Looks like one swing down over here. It has recovered over at this point here, and it started to swing down. Looks like we are going to have a very good area here. Okay, so looking into this area here. Okay, I'm gonna look at this area. So this week, I'm gonna look at this area. Okay, this is for the one whole week, Pound Aussie. So looks like we still have very good chance. Okay, I'm gonna put this Pound Aussie into my watch list. And for Pound CAD, let's take a look. Pound CAD. Well, Pound CAD, we are now after the bull tested on the resistance over here. Okay, seems like the potential of running as a bear is quite potential. So, but the thing is that we are on the support over here. So tentatively, let's wait for it to break the support, and then there will be a good chance for selling down. Okay, so we have about 30 pips to go, and after this profitable 30 pips, after that we'll have a good chance to go down furthermore. Okay, at the moment it's about 30 pips. So Pound CAD is still good. Okay, I'm going to put Pound CAD into my watch list. Well, Pound franc, once again. Well, look at this. Okay, when I see this, it should be good. Okay, it should be good, but I don't like to trade this kind of ranging, but we have very big space down there. So let's wait for the downturn, because right now it hits on the highest point of the range. Okay, it's hitting at the top of the range, so I'm waiting for the downturn to go down to take the lows of the range as well. So I'm going to skip this. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. All right, so Pound Yen, let's take a look. Pound Yen, same thing, it tested onto the resistance right now. So let's see if this resistance able to hold. If this resistance able to hold for the Pound Yen, I think there's still good chance to go down for a selling. I'm going to put the Euro Yen and Pound Yen into my watch list, but may not be trading today. I'm going to monitor it for these few days. Okay, looks like is coming soon. Okay, all right. So yeah, Pound Yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list. And next thing to go, Pound Kiwi. Let's take a look. Pound Kiwi. Yep, nice. Pound Kiwi. Okay, Pound Kiwi, I guess are still good. Pound Kiwi. Alright, Pound Kiwi. The thing is that the Pound Kiwi, okay, we are right on the support. Okay, we are right on the support. So at the moment, we need to wait for it to break the support. After breaking the support, yes, then after that we will have a good chance for the selling. Okay, so Pound Kiwi, I will be putting this into my watch list. Okay, Pound Dollar. How about Pound Dollar? Well, Pound Dollar, generally we are going for a buy, but when we come to this stage, okay, when we come to a point, this point here, it seems like we are actually having some testing and some pullback as well. All right, so with this pullback, seems like there will be some selling opportunity. Well, let's see. All right, because it's I would say that it's still looking out to this area here, 126,690, 126,690. So there will still be a good chance. All right, and still waiting for this resistance to form. Okay, then after that there may be a good chance for the selling. All right, so we have about 50 over pips to go. But today, is it a good time to watch out for the selling for the Pound Dollar? I will say that we need to wait for the second half of the day. Okay, there may be a second half of the day. By looking into this one, okay, this area here, okay, over here, all right, this long week looks like they are going to recover this long week before it actually has a chance for the selling. So buying is still possible as of now, but only when the resistance able to hold it down, then I will see that there may be a good chance that the buying the good chance for the sellers to come in. Okay, so I will put this in, but I may not be trading the pound dollar today for selling, but I'm just going to put this under monitoring. Okay, so all of you can monitor this, okay, for the next few days. Right, dollar CAD straightforward, we are in the bear, and now we are still in the selling, so waiting for a new cycle to come. Okay, looks like it's coming. All right, for dollar CAD for the selling. All right, so we can just pay attention to this. How about dollar franc? Well, dollar franc. And as for dollar franc, let's take a look at the trend. We are very obvious. We are looking into the bear. All right, so bear. So we are looking for selling. Well, as we are looking for selling, we should be looking for resistance. So at the moment right now, oh my God, this resistance. Okay, this resistance over here looks like we still need some time for it to test onto the resistance up there, then before we can actually go for selling. Okay, so yeah, I guess at the moment right now, okay, be a little bit patient with dollar franc. Okay, how about dollar yen? Well, dollar yen, no, straightforward. We are in the bull, and the bull is still pushing higher. So at the moment, no for now to sell, but buyers can take note. Okay, all right. Bitcoin 30,244. At the moment, we are still in this area here, so just hang on with that. Good profit from the 25 onwards until now. I think we can still hold on to it. Okay, all right. Okay, for the goal, yes, 1922.67 could be the target later. 1922 for the selling. Okay, over here. All right, so let's take a look for the goal. As for the goal wise, all right, let's take a look. The goal. Excuse me. All right, and one thing over here. Okay, let's see. Yep. Okay, let's see. For the goal, 1922 to 1922.67, down all the way here. 1922. I think there will be a good chance there to set up the support before it can go further up. But will it have a chance that actually it will still come down to about 1918? There may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance that the 1918. But let's look out for 1922.67. Okay. Over at this point, in order for it to come down, I see that yesterday they have created one area here. So 1, 2. Okay, so probably I will be looking out to start selling at 1933. Okay, 1933. After the 1933, there may be a good chance for it. Wait. All right, thank you so much. Okay. All right. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry I got disconnected just now. Okay. All right, so 1916.31 to 1916.61. Okay, for the goal, right? Okay, let's take a look. 1913 61. Okay. 1930, 61, huh? 1930, 61. Okay. Okay. Ah. 对， it's okay. Yeah. I'm calling for you, yes. Okay, yeah, that could be the buy zone. Yeah. Quite possible. Yes. Yeah. Because just now I got disconnected, so I was calling if you were still there connecting. Yeah. I got disconnected from the YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. So yeah, okay. All right. So yeah, I think for this area here that could be the buy zone. Yeah. 1916, right? 1916 over here. This could be the buy zone. Yeah. I think this area here, let me see. This area, huh? I think it's almost there, huh? I think it's about there. All right. So it should be around here. Yeah, I see that this area. Yeah, it should be this around this zone. Okay. Yeah. Okay. As for the selling one, I see that 1933. Okay, this could be one area that when the price comes to 1933, then we will be looking out for the selling. Okay. Hi MK. Yes, how was your trip? Well, my trip is this trip is very fruitful. Yeah. Yes. You know what? This trip make me doesn't want to come back. Okay. Honestly, all right. Yeah, but I have to come back because of all of you here, huh? Okay. Yes. Yeah. We should organize the next summit into this place. Well, I've been there. It was like beautiful place, beautiful people, nice people there. You know. Okay. So yep, let's come in. All right. Okay. Let me see. Yes. You know what is that? Okay, this should be the buying zone. Yeah, okay, this area it should be the buying zone over here. Nothing. What do you mean by nothing? Okay. Okay. So right. Okay, over here. Let's see and continue. Okay. I see. All right. Okay, so let's see. Let's continue. Okay. At the moment right now, okay. I'll be waiting for the London market. Okay. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay. For pound dollar, I'm still looking into this area here. As we can see, there's a lot of liquidity up here to be taken. Okay, so buying is still possible, but is it a good time to go for a buy right now? I would say that tentatively, if you go look into M5, lower down the time frame, okay, so we can see that yesterday it has a good swing down. Okay, very good swing down over here, this area here. After we have meet up with the resistance, we have started to sell down. Okay, one selling point here. All right, so it sold down. Then after that, it went hovering a little bit here and there, and started to hover until now this area here. So after it hits onto this area here, and as we can see, it retests on top, and as a support, it started to go further up, correct? So there's one point that to be taken into our to pay attention to that. They are trying to take out the highs yesterday. Okay, yesterday highs. All right, not the Asian high, yesterday highs. Yeah, so over at this point here. So there's still some chance there. Okay, for the buyers to continue to go up. Okay, so let's see. A bit too thick, huh? Okay. Okay, let me see. If I hope this red line is still clear for everybody, so that you'll be able to see that this area here. Okay, it should be clear on the screen. All right, so there's a lot of turbulence over into this area here right now. Okay, but for pound dollar, I still see there's some good chance the selling is possible down here. About going to, let's see if this is going to push up further. Okay, after meeting up with this resistance into this area here, then there may be a good chance to sell down. Good chance to sell down to take out the lows down there. We have about 46 pips there. So at the moment I will be waiting for it to test onto the resistance first. Okay. Okay, so hang on first. Okay, relax. Okay. Oh, I need more water. Okay. All right. Then let's see. Let's wait for this. Okay, at the same time. Okay, let me. Oops, what's wrong? Where is my messages? Okay, let me flash out. Okay, let's see. All right, so these are the currency pairs that we pay attention to. Okay, yeah. Let me pin this up. Okay, let me pin this up. Okay, so let's see if the buying is still possible. Continue the buying. Okay, let's test onto the resistance. Yeah, let's test onto the resistance. Okay, test the resistance first. Okay, continue. Go. Buyers. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's buying now. Okay, good. Let's see. The buying is still ongoing. Okay. Tested once, touches. Okay, let's see if this is going to hold. Okay, right, and now touches this resistance here. Well, the high price is about 127,481, and now this is 127,434, right? Still a little bit. 420, no, 479. 127,479, a little bit more. Okay, yeah. Okay, go. Let's take it out. The high is 481. Okay, now we are at 479. We are still at 479. Okay, it's about there. It's a range, correct? It's a range. Yeah, it's still in the range. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait and see if that if it is able to actually continue. Well, if the rejections comes in, of course, that is one that we should be waiting. Okay, yep. Okay, let me see. All right. Okay. Okay, and let's see. Let me share this as well. Okay, let me share this link. Okay. Well, okay. This is my Discord channel. Okay. Okay, I'm looking out for some pullback for the pound dollar. Okay, I'm looking out for some pullback on the pound dollar. So to see that if there's any, okay, any pullback on the pound dollar, then I will be looking out for some selling. All right, I'll be looking out for some selling. Yeah. Okay. Well, looks pretty good. Wait, just wait for a little while more. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Can I help you? It looks like the pound dollar is going for the selling, going for the buying. Looking for a buy. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, over here. In fact, I'm actually looking into this area here. There will be two. There will be two. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Is this colors nice? No, it's so ugly. Okay. Okay. It's more onto the buy side, huh? Okay. I see that there may be a good chance that the buying will still be ongoing. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, looking into this area here. Okay, I'm looking into this area here. All right. So from here, started to swing down. Am I right? Okay, it started to swing down, and I tested once, but it doesn't break through. It came down to set up the support. Okay, so the basic theory of support and resistance. Once resistance is not broken, okay, it's being resisted down. It will be looking out for support. Okay, after this wave of support, okay, then after that it started to go back to test the last wave of the resistance. Okay, this resistance here. So trying to break this area here. Once it broke through, okay, once it breaks through, okay, then after that we'll be looking out that the destination for this should be looking out into this green area here. All right, it should be looking out into this green area here. So for now, okay, all right. Let's first thing first. Okay, let's see if this will actually let me shift this a bit. Okay, so let's first thing first, it has to break this resistance. If this resistance cannot hold and break, okay, and got broken, then I will be looking out for another round of retesting as a support. Then we'll go for a buy. Okay, then the buying is still the buying will comes in. Then for buyers, okay, can take note. But let's say if this is not going to break, all right, if this is not going to break, then we are looking out for some selling. Okay, some selling down here. Okay, this area here is about 17 pips. So there will still be a good chance, but we need to see if there's any sellers that are coming in for the selling. Then from there, then we'll look out for the selling opportunity. All right, but I have a hunch that today is going to be a very boring day. Okay. Okay. But I think you know, maybe maybe. Yeah, so let's observe and see how it goes first. Okay, yeah, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, pound yen, yes, we are also testing onto the resistance right now. Okay, we are testing onto the resistance right now. So at the moment, yeah, it's still in the bull. I'm looking into pound yen is because pound yen has met up with a resistance. If this resistance is holding it down, okay, if this resistance is holding it down, then I will still see that there will be a good chance, okay, there should be a good chance that we are looking for support. So while it's looking for support, it will have a selling opportunity, okay, along the way. So along the way, if looking for support, we have very good space down here, which is about a 60 pips, which is about 60 pips there. All right, so if this is able to hold, okay, then we will look out for the selling later on. Okay, so right now let's see, okay, will there be any selling opportunity from now? Okay, there may be, okay, but still not there yet. So at the moment we still need to wait for a little while more. Okay, a little while more, not now, now. Now it's still on the buy side. Okay, this is only a pullback, so I'm not very keen in the selling right now straight away. Okay, yeah, so still hold on for a little while. Okay, so don't rush first. Okay, we still have a lot of time. Okay, we still have plenty of time for this. Okay, yeah, yes, that's right. Okay, yeah, so just hang on first. Okay, yeah, be patient, yes, you're right. Okay, and also, okay, for the pound yen, okay, if we are selling down, I see that there may be a good chance. Okay, first of all, we can see the support here. Okay, there's a form of support here, so it looks like they are pulling back here, 12 pips there. From here, okay, then one area here, 30 pips to take this area here. It should have about 50 over pips to go. Okay, about 50 over pips to go. All right, for pound yen, okay, if you are going to sell right now, okay, if you are going to sell now, I wouldn't suggest that. I don't suggest a selling. Okay, let's wait for the pound yen to test again. Okay, you can see this is the resistance level, correct? This is the resistance level. So I'm going to wait for it to retest. Okay, to form a lower high, then we will go for it. Okay, so at the moment, this pullback, it may go slow, but once the next candle open with another green candle, it may just take out every selling volume over here. So I don't see a good chance there. All right, yeah, so just pay attention to that. Okay, all right, okay, pound dollar looks better in the next 5 minutes. Pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, huh? Well, if it's for if it's for the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, we are now testing onto the highs, right? So that looks like the high is still there. Okay, so yesterday's high here. All right, so it seems like being resisted, huh? Okay, so the next 5 minutes, there may be a good chance for the selling. Okay, there may be a good chance for the selling. But once again, okay, do remember that, okay, for pound dollar, we are also having a pullback. Okay, we are having a pullback. So if we are going for a selling, it's going to be a short-term selling. Okay, it's going to be a short-term selling. All right, so just bear that in mind. Okay, be careful. Okay, so you can see generally how it reacts over here. If we move a little bit upwards, we can see these rejections is very strong up there. Okay, then after that it started to swing down all the way until here, hovering around this area here. So it looks like they are still pound dollar is still trying very hard to break 127,478. Then after that they are trying to move upwards to take this area here. Okay, so yeah, so at this moment we have to Be patient. Okay, let's wait for, I think let's wait for the pound dollar, sorry, for the London market to open. I think it will be so much clearer, okay, on to tell us what to do later on. Okay, it will be much clearer to tell us what to do later on. All right. Okay. Okay, so that's for the pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar in the next M5, it looks pretty good. Okay, it looks like we have a good chance for the selling later on. Okay, but we just need to pay attention to that. Okay. This may be only a short-term selling, huh? This may be a short-term selling. Okay. All right, and yes, Powcat. Okay, let's take a look at Powcat. Okay, Powcat. Powcat at the moment, okay, at the moment, if we want to sell, we can only wait for it to break the support here. Okay, after breaking the support, we should be looking about 26 pips down to around 83. No, sorry, this 64 pips. A total of 64 pips. So if I'm going to sell Powcat, let's wait for it to break the support area here. Can you see the support here? Okay, this is the support area here. Alright, so once this breaks, okay, then we have a good chance to sell down. Okay, then we have a good chance to sell down. Yeah. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, Powcat, no, not now. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, let's take a look. Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Okay. Euro Yen, same thing. We are in the bull, but this bull, today we are looking for support. So by looking into this area here, can you see this is the area of resistance? Area of resistance tested now, got rejected a few 3 times. Okay, so over at this point here, you can see this hour here is a little bit struggling, right? So for the Euro Yen, there may be a good chance for 30 or 34 pips down there. 34 pips. Okay, 34 pips there. So let's see. Okay, now by looking into Euro Yen, looks like we are coming for selling very soon. Okay, let's see. One level. Okay, one level here. 7 pips away. If this breaks, retest this level of 156.706, then we should be looking out to take the lows first, about 33 pips. That will be about 33 pips. Okay, that should be about 33 pips there. Okay, yeah. All right, 33. Okay, all right. So yeah. And let's move back to Powcat and let's take a look. Powcat, no way. Pound Yen, let's take a look. Pound Yen. Okay, Pound Yen and Pound Yen. We are also looking into this area here. Okay, this area here we have about 9 pips. So after it breaks this area here, we should have a good chance to sell. Yes, GU, Bradley. Okay, let's take a look at GU. Oh, GU, nice. Looks like selling is coming on the way. Okay, but this is only a pullback, huh? This is only a pullback. Okay, this is only a pullback. So we have this area here. We have this area here. Okay, let's see if this pound dollar able to break 127.389. to form another lower highs at around 127.389 as a resistance to continue the selling down. All right, so this one is about 10 pips. So I suggest that after if this really form up to retest as a resistance to sell, do a scalping first. Okay, go for a scalping. Okay, Bradley. Okay, you can go for a scalping here. All right, in this area shall be a scalping area. After this area breaks again and it repeats the retesting, then after that we should be looking out for more. about 20 pips, or may even go down to take the lows of 25 pips in total. Okay, 25 pips in total. Yeah. Okay, so the plan will be going this way for the pound dollar. Let's wait for it to break this area. Once it breaks this area, then after that retest. Okay, well, retest, then after that, then we can go for some scalping. After that, it breaks this area, then we can go for another round. All right, another round. Okay, so this one, yeah, we can. Okay, then we can go for this down to about 25 pips. Cowboy style. Woohoo! Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. So, yep. Okay. So let's see. Okay. But tentatively, because it's on the bull. Okay. It's riding on the bull. So let's see if the cowboy can take over this bull. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, for pound yen, wow, looks like a pound yen is getting nearer and nearer. Okay, looks like nearer and nearer, which I see also not bad. Okay, pound yen, yeah, I think it's getting nearer, so also not bad. Okay. Let's wait. We have about 6 minutes to go. Right, boo, Bradley. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see. Well, okay, let's go. Let's see. I'm going to clear this area first. Okay, right. What? Find me a red cloth. Okay. Are you in Spain right now? Okay. Alright, so let's see if this is going to give a good one. Okay, for pound yen. Oh, I saw something. Yeah. You want to be the EL Toredo. Okay, I saw something here. Oh, pound yen, it started to boom up. Okay, so forget about it. No more. So sad. Okay, let's see. Tested on the resistance up there. Tested this resistance. Okay, let's see whether it will break. Okay, this is one area of turbulence area here, and I saw one area here. Okay. Okay. So with this, I think we can still about 30 pips there. Yeah, London will sell. Yeah, looks like. How about pound dollar? Let's take a look. Oh, pound dollar looks good. It's taken. This highs has been taken out, and let's see. Looks like there's some push there. Nostradamus style. Okay, are you talking about the GU? Yeah. Are you talking about the GU? What is that? Let's meet on Spain. Let's meet on Spain, alright? Okay, EU, GU, Go, and GJ. Okay, alright. That will be... Okay, London. When the London market, all this will sell, right? Okay. EU, GU, yeah. EU, GU. Okay. So at the moment, yeah, let's wait for the EU as well. I think for EU, I'm looking for selling into within this area here. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to form a resistance within this area. Then we're looking for a selling. All right. For GJ, yeah, this push over here looks like tested. Okay. Should be looking good. Ooh. Okay. For GU, I'm looking for selling as well. Okay. But the thing is that I'm quite concerned about this GU. Okay. Because looking at this GU, it looks like it's going to break this 127,478, and then after that, then we'll be going for a buy. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, yeah, first 1.5 hour is to full trader, and then bang. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at the goal as well. Okay, the goal. Yeah, the goal. Okay, I think the goal is moving towards the plan. Okay, so after it looks up for the resistance, then I think there'll be a good chance for the selling. Okay, yeah, we have about about 30 seconds. Okay, about 30 seconds. London is going to open soon. All right. 30 seconds. Yep. 30 seconds. Okay, now we are less with we are less than 30 seconds. Then we are going for looks like the London is going to open, and then we shall see if the London is going to open, what will happen. We are all ready to sell. We are all ready to sell. Yeah, that's why I don't trade. That's why I don't trade London opening. Yes, that's true. Okay, when London opens, okay, when London's open, okay, hold on first. Okay, yeah, okay. Let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait and see if there's some to go. Okay. Good morning, London. All right. Good morning, London. Okay. Hang on. Okay, we are actually moving towards now. There's some looks like the resistance is still quite good over here. Okay, because as you can see, it tried to push higher up to close above, but unfortunately it has closed below the resistance. So once it closed below the resistance, as you can see over at this point here, does that mean that we are actually moving towards for the selling? It may not. Okay, it may not. All right, so at the moment this is only the beginning of the London market. Okay, so we still need to study more. Okay, all right, so well, over at this point here, okay, over at this point here, buying. Let's see if I'm going for a buy right now. Okay, if I am going for a buy right now, there's a resistance up here need to be taken, need to be careful with. Okay, we have about 11 pips there. Okay, generally we should be going for a buy. Okay, but the thing is that now we are on the resistance, and this resistance is actually quite tough. It's going to be quite tough. I'll be waiting for it to break above, come back, retest, then as a support showed up, then I will go for this. At least this we have about 44 pips, right? At least we have 44 pips up there, so I think it's better. But let's see if this is going to hold as a resistance. Then probably it may be coming back here to take as a support. Okay, to take this as a support. All right, let's take a look. Okay, tentatively to close up with my targets here, we have our 18 pips to go. All right, 18 pips to go to close up my target here. I see that the price should be still be coming back into this area to take 126,690, 126,690 before there will be much more buying going up. Okay, but along the way, okay, it is now pushing to test the resistance that it may also go up to take to test onto this area here. Then after that, then it comes back to take this area. It may go either way, so we need to assess the situation right at the moment. Okay, for example now, okay, may go either way, am I right? Okay, after the analysis, okay, after how I read the chart, so there may be a chance that it can come down, okay, to take this support, then after that it goes up again. Okay, so if this is going to go above, allow it to retest to set up support, then we go for buy. Okay, so anything above that with a support, we go for buy. Anything below with a new resistance, then we go for a selling. Okay, simple as that. Okay, just keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so I talk so much, but it's only 4 minutes away from the market opening, so just be patient and wait for a little while. Okay, yeah. So meanwhile, since we are waiting, guys, do you mind if I excuse myself to the pantry and get some drinks, and I'll be right back. Okay, all right, thank you so much, guys. See you in a short while. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah. Yeah. I can smell you too. uh, yeah, I can smell you. Wow. What did you have yesterday? Alright. Hubert was saying that he can smell you too. Well, Caro was saying I like trading on Keybell. It brings special. You know, it brings special atmosphere. I can smell the opportunity. Uh-huh. Yeah. Voice from the underground. Burritos. Okay. Okay. Yes, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Oh, I'm sorry. Pound dollar. Okay, looks like a pound dollar. We are looking. We are now resisted under the resistance. Okay, so for the pound dollar. Okay, remember this pound dollar. This wave. Okay, look at this wave. All right, from here it pushes up to this area here. It pushes up for the support. So you can see this can be a support, higher support, around an area of higher support and push up. So this area here, it may push for another higher support as well. So I need to wait for the sellers to come in to break the structure before we can take action. Okay. So right now, looking into this area here is looking good to sell. Okay, it's looking good to sell for this area here. All right, but I'm looking into this zone. Looking into this zone, I think this zone is much easier. But if I can clear this zone, I'll have a better zone down there. Okay. Yeah. Can I say that the long wick up there, the resistance that created by the sellers? You mean this one over here? Roger, are you talking about this? Yes, okay. So yes, you can say so. All right. So if we are going to shrink down, okay, let's take a look. I'm going to shrink this down. Okay, take a look. This pushes up to meet up with a resistance up here, over here. Okay, so from here, let's take a look over here. This area here. Okay, this area here. So let's take a look once again. Can you see? This is the resistance, correct? Okay, this is the resistance area. So from here, yeah. Okay, so we can see that. Let me shift this up first, 478 to this area of resistance. All right. So more or less, okay, as we can see, it's actually approaching this area. Can you see? Getting so near and it got rejected down. Yeah. But for me, I won't take it. It shows there's a resistance. It shows there's a resistance up there, but there's no concrete resistance has been formed at the moment for me to take a selling trade. So no, not yet, not yet. All right. So I will be waiting for it to test onto this 127,628. Okay, if if they form a concrete resistance up there, okay, with let's say solid green red candle like this, okay, right, then okay, then I may be waiting to take a trade. Okay, yeah. This one this wave, no, I won't take a trade over here, because this one, okay, it looks more like a pullback and then to push for higher high. Yeah, so better not now. for this area here, I guess it's going to have another push. Okay, yeah, I don't like to see lower wicks like this to sell lower. Okay, usually it shows the support, like you say. Okay, if you see there's an upper wick, there's a resistance, there's lower wick, there's also a support. It shows the support, as you can see here, right over here. Okay, so from here, then maybe it may be coming down this area here to form a support, and then it will go up, right up there with about 20 pips up there. Okay, so at the moment I will still be waiting. No opportunity for any trades to be taken. Not now. Yeah, not now for now. Okay, yeah, wait is the word. Exactly, wait is the word. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. Maybe a little while more. Okay, a little while more. If we are looking into this, okay, yeah, let's look at M15. M15 is, I think, it's much clearer. Let me, okay, like this. All right, so you can see that it is actually moving. Okay, it's actually moving. You see, after this spike, correct? After this spike, after the spike, it started to went down, break of structure to become selling down, hits on the support, tested the support, and started to swing up. Okay, now looks like we are coming into this area of resistance, so buying is quite possible as of now first. Okay, at the moment, looking out for this, buying is possible. If the resistance of 127,628 able to hold it, then I'll be looking out for a selling down back to 127,389, which have about 24 pips. If you are a seller looking for selling. Okay, so of course, based on current situation, this is my reading, this is my plan. Okay, yeah, so let's wait for a little while and see how it goes. Okay, it's so tempting to sell right now. No, no, this is not good to sell. We have rejections here, we have rejections here, we have both rejections here. Okay, let me zoom in and so that you can see. Can you see a rejections here? That becomes a dodgy. Okay, rejections here, and it shows that support is here. And where's the support come from? From the previous resistance here. All right, people buy over here, buyers managed to break it, sellers are suffering losses and holding the trade. Okay, so after it comes back, they let go of the trades and now increase the buying volume. It went up again. Same thing, it comes back here, that will become a support because of the let go of the selling trades. Okay, so now this area has become a support. So this area of support, in order for the price to go further up, okay, it needs a support. Am I right? So probably now the selling off now is actually coming back to set up the support. So it's not worth to take the risk. Okay. Yep. Okay, so for now, no. Okay, for now, no. No for selling, huh? No for selling. Yeah, buying, no as well. I want a concrete support to form up as well, like this. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm waiting for this area here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see how it performed. We have a resistance here. Okay, now forming the resistance here. So let's say it formed another round. The resistance has been tested over here and it's not breaking. Then from here, then if there's a chance to selling down. Okay, let me move this resistance down first over here. Okay. So if this is going to test into this and not breaking, then we may have a good chance. Then we may have a good chance to sell. Okay, then we may have a good chance to sell. As we can see, it has been tested into this area here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay. All right. Yep. And we need to wait for a little while. Okay. Yes, what is that? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait for twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yeah. How about you sing? Carol shall sing for us. Shall I invite you over to the mic? Okay. Okay, let's wait. Right. Yeah. So we have to wait for a little while, huh? Okay. Pound yen as well, same thing. Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ah. Yeah. What is that? Would be like a bunch of coyotes howling near Arizona. Really? I think you may need some beer. You may need some beer to assist you. Okay, guys, be patient, alright? Oh, seems like I'm going to continue singing. Looks like we have tested onto the resistance. It has some rejections here. Barley soup. Oh yeah. You know, when I flew back in the night on Saturday midnight. Okay. No, Sunday midnight. Yeah. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see shooting star. But this round I didn't see any shooting star. Whenever I see shooting star, I make a wish. You know, I wish that people who are trading with me, my students, will be a successful trader. That's always my wish. Okay. That's why I love to take a midnight flight, hoping to see shooting star. So when I see shooting star, I will sing twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. I'm above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. All right. But of course, when it's a long flight, then I have to sing another one. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night. Yeah. So yeah. Eric Pavarotti. Oh, I like this name. Thank you so much, Caro. Okay. So now we are still testing on the resistance, right? Okay. So once again, hopefully to see some selling here. Okay, pound yen as well. Looks like pound yen also wants that we get up. Sorry. Once over here. Okay, looks like it's also coming in for selling soon. Pound yen, pound dollar. Thank you, MK. Thank you very much. Okay. I travel in the dark. I travel in the dark, huh? Sabrina says I travel in the dark. Yeah. Then the traveler in the dark. Thank you for your tiny spark. I could not see which way to go. If you did not twinkle so, I think it should go this way. I couldn't remember the. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, after the singing. Okay, there it should trigger our FOMO away. Okay. Not trigger the FOMO away. Twinkle the FOMO away. Alright. Okay, so. Yeah, let's see. Right, we are getting nearer. We are getting nearer. Okay, looks like the sellers are coming in with this resistance over here. Okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Let's wait because over here the space over here is a little bit tight, 6 pips. Okay, there's also a chance that it may swing down right down over to this area of 16 pips. So just be careful. All right, just take note of this area here if you are selling of this pound dollar. Okay, so just take note of this pound dollar. Looks like it's going to get started to sell. Okay, there are more and more sellers are coming in. Okay, I'm looking for a new cycle of selling over right here. Okay, so hopefully to see that it clear this area, and I'm going to get this. I'm going to aim for this range. I'm going to do a scalping of this range. Okay, we are getting nearer, guys. Okay, we are getting nearer to enter for a trade, but make sure we have a plan here. As for pound yen, I'm looking for the price to clear this area, to close below this area. I'm looking for this area here for 30 pips, 30. We have 30 pips of space down there. Okay, we have 30 pips of space down there. All right, so that's one. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, for sellers. Okay, that's the plan for the sellers. As for pound dollar, okay, we have two segments here. One here, which is about 11 pips. Okay, then after this, we should clear the lows there, 26 pips. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, well, any news impact coming along the way? We still have 30 minutes for the ECB presidents to talk. Okay, I think that shouldn't be quite an impact anyway. All right, so should be still quite okay. All right, and let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait and see how it goes. All right. Looks good. Getting nearer for pound dollar. For pound yen, and let's take a look at the dollar yen. Euro dollar. Euro dollar still. Euro dollar. Euro dollar is looking for this area here. Okay. Euro dollar is looking for this area here, which we have only about 10 pips. So if you are selling, you can look out for this area here, scalping for, but not ready yet. Okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, back to pound yen. Oh, sorry, one more. Let's look for the gold. Let's take a look at the gold. Well, as for the gold, okay, let's move this down a little bit to see. As we can see, the gold. Oh, the gold looks nice. Hey, the gold really looks nice. Okay. we have about 1926. I think should be a little bit above 1926.6. We have about 16 pips there for the gold. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar looks like as expected it stopped right here at 127.389. It has not cleared there. Hopefully it cleared. Okay, for pound yen it's coming down. Okay, looks like gold is going to drop like last night. Burrito. Yes. Okay. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, we are crossing. We are crossing 127.389. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Yeah, and looks like this area here, the 10 pips is quite easy to take. Okay, it's an easy. Looks like it's an easy trade. Okay, pound dollar. Hang on. It's not closed yet. It's not closed yet. Okay, be patient. Be patient. We have another 4 minutes to go. Okay. Okay, pound yen. Oops, it got rejected up. Now. Okay, since it got rejected up, looks like we need more patience. Okay, looks like more patient. Yep. All right, hang on. Okay, for pound dollar, yes, Trinity getting close. Yes, getting close. You're right, it's getting close. Okay, so that's for the pound dollar, huh? Pound dollar. Always aim the right trade, never aim the profit. You are correct. All right. Riano. Yeah. Very good, Riano. Okay. Yes. Well, we are stopped here. As what we had expected to see 127.389. Expecting to see, not hopefully, hoping to see, not expecting, hoping to see it close below, retest to form a resistance down here for me to take this area, or maybe even lower. Okay, maybe even lower. Okay. So, yep. Then gold TP 5 pips. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Very good. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Let's see. Oh, nice. Nice catch. Nice catch. Okay. Very good. Okay. Pound dollar. Looks like a pound dollar is going to take this area here. Looks like pound dollar is going to take this area here. Let's see. Will the pound dollar going to take this area 283? Okay. Alright guys, pound dollar. Okay, no, you did not miss anything. Gold TP 5 pips, well done. Okay. Maybe you missed the goal. Maybe you missed the goal. Yeah. Okay, so looks like the pound dollar is going down. Now we are going to capture this 127,283. Looks like 127,283 is still quite possible. 127,283. Let's see. Okay, over into this area here. Now they are retesting. This is what I meant. Now they are going to retest. They is going to retest 127,389. Okay, it's going to retest 127,389. If this able to hold as a resistance once again, all right, do a scalping here. Okay, yeah, I think a scalping will be good here. Okay, yeah, it should be good. Okay, it should be good here. All right, let's see. Hang on first. It's not ready yet. Okay, it's not ready yet. All right, and one look at this. Okay, seems like it got started to get rejected down. Okay, so retested now into this area here. Are we going to take 127,283? Okay, looks like it's quite possible. Okay, looks like it's quite possible there. Scalp this area first. After this area, if it breaks below, same thing, retest, then another round. This round will be better. Okay. Yeah. You can do it. Come on, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Oh, pound yen is getting so near to the supports now. Okay. Pound dollar. All right. A little bit. Hey, wait and see. Let's wait and see. I'm aiming this area, This area is for scalpers. These areas are for scalpers. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. We still have 3 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Okay. Let's. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Two minutes. 27283. 27283. Yeah, let's see. 27283. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, about that. 27283. Okay. Now still retesting. 2 minutes to go. Let's wait. Okay. I'm waiting for it to form as a resistance. Okay, then we can go for a scalping. No entry yet, huh? No entry yet. I have no entry yet. Okay, no entry so far for me. Okay. Yep. Okay. So hoping to see now it closed below 1 minute with 30 seconds to go. Okay, if this is going to close below this area here, right, then if it's going to form another selling, right, then I think there will be a good chance. But it depends whether how many pips there. Okay, balance. How many pips left there? about 9 pips. I think scalping of, I think I take a 5, I think it's still good. Maybe taking a 5 is still good, huh? Okay. Okay, let's see. Well, pound yen, let's take a look. Pound yen, okay. Looks like same thing, is stop here. There's another, this is shows some rejections here, all right? So hopefully to see more, okay, selling down into this area, okay. Pound dollar, okay, looks like the rejection is coming in. Looks good, okay. Looks like the rejection is coming in, the resistance is coming in as well, selling is coming in as well, okay. But this area is for scalpers, okay. These areas are for scalpers, okay. Take note, only for scalpers, okay. Only for scalpers, okay. Yeah, it's only for scalpers, all right. It's only for scalpers, okay. Take note, it's only for scalpers, huh? Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. Yes. I sold at the top here when it got rejected. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. So, yeah. Very good. Okay. So we can see in this area. Let's see if this is going to take this 127,283. Okay, 127,283. 127,283. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. After it close below, haha, I think it will be good. Okay, it will be looking for this area here. All right. Right now, 54, 55. Here, yeah, exact point. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, pound yen, oh, it went to test onto the support. It went down to test on the support once again. Looks like we have we're going to looks like we are going to test onto the support here for the pound dollar. To 127,283. 127,283. Okay. Yes, Hubert. Alright, send chart to Discord for gold. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, guys who are in the Discord can take a look. History could repeat. Yeah, okay, history could repeat. Okay, let's take a look. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, can you see the resistance up there? Yeah, okay. Let's see over here. Okay. Correct? If I'm not wrong. Okay, let me take a look. This area, right? Okay, so talking about this area. Alright, and with this, okay, with this, then this area here, okay, history could repeat, huh? Okay. It's quite logical, I would say. I would say it's quite logical. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so let's come back here once again. Okay, for the pound dollar. Okay. For the pound dollar, wow, it's still hovering here. Let's see if this is going to hold it. Okay, now is the step that is holding as a resistance. Okay, now it is a step as a holding it as a resistance. Okay, to tell us that at least now we are still in the resistance. We are still in the resistance area. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see another lower highs is it coming in. Okay, so we see these highs here tested onto the resistance here. Okay, it came down this area here where it actually comes into the area to form another round. Okay, another round for the selling of. Okay, right. Okay, so wait, just wait. Okay, looks like now it's actually pushing through this area. It's not holding as a resistance now until it closes, then we will see how it goes. Okay, it must wait until it closes. Okay, all right. Okay, okay guys, we have about 15 minutes to go. Let's wait and see how is it going. Yep. Euro dollar, let's take a look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar, same thing. Let's see euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar is going back to retest this resistance area. Okay, seems like it looks like euro dollar is moving towards the north to take this area first before it starts selling down. So we still have quite a long way to go. Okay, so just be patient and wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Unfortunately, it is still there. We have 3 minutes to see how it goes. Okay, 3 minutes to see how it goes. Yeah. No. Sabrina, right? Sabrina. Yeah. Sabrina. I'm sorry, I missed your message just now. I missed the message. Can you repeat that again? Okay. Ooh. I sold at the M1 time frame, but you are looking for retesting and you have not entered. I'm asking if I'm entered too early. If you are basing on M1, okay, definitely I think you bound to have a maybe better price, maybe earlier than me. Okay, but the concept it should be the same. Okay, by looking at the retesting. Okay, by looking at the retesting. Alright, but if it's for M5, okay, my retesting over here, okay, I'm actually just looking into this retesting in M5 to give me a clearer picture. M1 a little bit too details and too fast, okay, for the retesting. Okay, but for M5 it should be quite a good balance. Okay, it's not too fast. Okay, and yet it is not too late. You see, you get what I mean? Yeah. So I think a lot of people are actually using M5 as a lowest time frame that they go, unless you are searching for some others factors. Then using M1 is okay. It's okay. All right. It doesn't hurt that much. Okay. Yeah, but it only depends on the certain circumstances. Okay, it depends on certain circumstances that it may work on certain circumstances. That's all. But of course I don't say that M5 will work on all circumstances as well. Okay, things may change. Okay, things may change as well. All right. Okay. So yep, let's see. We have another M5 is going to open. We are back into the resisted area. So we can see this range here, right? Okay, this peak here, this low here, looks like they are going to struggle within this area here. Okay, looks like we are going to struggle within this area here. All right, let's see which area it breaks. Okay, all right. By looking at this, looks more like a selling. Okay, it looks more like a selling because it needs a support. It needs a support. Okay, a concrete support, which I see. A concrete support may form at any point, okay, but then again is that by looking into this, okay, it should be looking at to come into this area of support here to test on this support. Yeah, M1 is good for scalping, correct? Okay, M1 is good for scalping. Caro was saying, okay, Caro was saying M1 is good for scalping. Yeah. Okay. Yep, and let's see. Okay, slowly. Okay, we are closing down into 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes left. 9 minutes, and this looking into this area here looks like wow, it looks like we really have about, it's going to take the lows. We are going to take the lows. Looks good. Okay. Okay, M1, huh? Okay, let's see, M1. All right. If I'm looking at M1, okay, you can see M1 over here. Okay, when it started to sell down here, it started to build up a support over here. All right, with this support here. Okay, so with this support over here, it looks like you know, it's actually pushing up through this area here. For me, I would say that M1 they are using for scalping entry is fine. I think it's still okay to go to do so. Okay, yeah, and that area, okay, with that area, okay, you can see with this area here, this zone here, all right, this zone here. So you can see in M5 is actually only these few candles. Okay, yeah, okay, so you can see, all right, okay, so you can see there's a lot of struggling, right? Okay, all these, you know, lower wick here, over here. So it's quite obvious. Okay, the M1 is forming up the support over into this area here. All right, so for M5, usually I will always say that you know, this area here, the red, green over here is also forming up a support over here. Correct, it's also forming up a support over here. So in this case, to take this 127,283, it has to cross the hurdles here. It has to cross the hurdles here. So for example, you know, this may be, if you are closing down, okay, you can see that this is a trending market, am I right? Bull trending. So this now at this point here, it started to form the bear trending. Okay, forming. It's not formed yet. Okay, it's not formed yet. Okay, so it's still forming. Okay, all right. So it's still struggling, but based on the situation with the action here, we can see that you know, you can see this weak, lower week is actually stopping at the same price here as a support. So once it breaks through, you can see that it has become a resistance, and price are maintaining below this resistance. Is still optimistic for selling. Okay, it's still optimistic for selling. That means to say right now, if the resistance unable to break, it's actually looking out for a support. It's looking out for a support to test. So it can be this, it can be this. All right, because initially it should be this. Okay, initially it should be this, but this comes in out of nowhere. Am I right? It comes in nowhere. Okay, so it tends to be, you know, it can be another round of a higher support, a higher lows here, correct? So let's see if this able to break, okay, after it test first, okay, it about to come down for the testing, okay, it about to come down, okay, so to allow it to test and see if this tested and is swing down and close below, that means it has break that structure of higher lows, then there will be a good chance that it should be continue the selling, okay, continue the selling to take down 127,283. okay, it should be continued down selling to take this 127,283. all right, yep, okay. So for this, all right, last 5 minutes, I'm going to take a little bit of time for the planning here. So if we are selling for the pound dollar, do take note of this, okay. Take this first, okay. Once the price close below this, all right, then we are going down to take 127,283. okay. Once we take down this 127,283 to close below, allow it to swing and retest just like this. It came down, don't enter, retest, then we look for entry, okay, like something like that now, okay. Looks like the entry is actually coming in soon, okay, but H1 is opening soon as well, so do take note, okay. So right now for this, okay, if this is going to close below like this, then it retests like this scenario, okay, then we should be looking out to take the lows here, about 25 pips down there, waiting for us, about 25 pips down there, okay. So this is what I'm planning for the pound dollar, okay. Yeah, so that's for the pound dollar. So guys can take a look at this pound dollar, okay. Then later on it's just that this area is a scalping area, okay. This area will be better, okay. 25 pips of space down there, but you can still use scalping, okay. You can still scalp, okay. You can still scalp for that, okay. All right, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at the pound yen, okay. Pound yen, oh, it went down furthermore to form a concrete support here. Can you see? Just now it was touches, okay. This candle, it touches and it got rejected up, correct. It touches, it got rejected up, it comes down again to take this, okay. So now it closed below, all right. It's a range anyway, it's a range, okay. So let's see, the lowest range, it sits nicely here as a support now, okay. It sits nicely as a support now. So end of the day, okay, end of the day, this one, when it actually breaks below and retest for pound yen, then we can go for this. We have about 27 to 28 pips, 27 to 28 pips, okay. 27 to 28 pips, all right. 27 to 28 pips there, okay. So just wait for this to have come below here, okay. It should come below there, all right. Then that's for the pound yen. Same thing, it comes below, retest, okay. Allow it to retest, then from the retesting, then we go for another round, okay. All right, okay. Let's come back for the GUTP, Bradley, okay. Well done. Okay, good job, okay. Nice. GU, oh, that's a swing down, all right. And my last trade lasted for 19 seconds. Wow, good, very good, congratulations. Well done, okay. Well done, fantastic, good job. Okay, good job everybody. Well, nice catch. Okay, so for pound dollar, okay, looks like we are pressing through, okay, and we need a little bit of time to test onto the support here, okay. If this is going to close over right here and not below, okay, then it may set up for a higher support here, okay. So that may be also one point that we should be paying attention to as well, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, H1 is going to open soon, All right, H1 is going to open soon, so hopefully to see that there will be more selling down as fast as possible to close below this area, right? Then we'll be very happy to sell later on in the next hour. Haha. Okay. Am I right? Okay, that looks good. We are now closing below. Okay, so that means it's a trend. They are forming up the trending market, and the sellers are coming in. Okay, sellers are coming in. That is good. Okay, that is good. All right, so we are coming to test onto this support. Okay, we are coming to test onto this support area. Okay, so yep, that should be good, guys. So take a look out for this area here. All right, after this area, okay, after this area has been taken out, then I think there will be a good chance that we are going to close below here to take this area of 25 pips down there. Okay, I think that is good. All right, okay, guys. Okay, so pay attention to that. Okay, yeah, and that will be all for today. I think Trinity GUTP, congratulations. Well done. Oh, there's a lot of scalpers here. Wow, now then I see there's a lot of scalpers. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, all right. So guys, thank you so much for today. All right, so I shall see you tomorrow once again. Okay, and thank you very much. Okay, yeah, well done, Sabrina. Okay. Okay, managed to capture it. Okay, good, well done, well done, good job, good job. All right. Okay, and Riano as well. Wow, fantastic, thank you, GU. Okay, I got 2 weeks of pizza. Pizza. Okay, I just had pizza for dinner. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall wish you good luck in your trading and with bountiful of profits. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And take a look at the pound dollar. We are going to clear this. All right. Okay, so thank you so much. I shall see you once again tomorrow. Good luck to everybody. All right, thank you very much. This is Every Day.